Introducing the all-new DaVinci drone, brought to you by Eric's Drones. An all-in-one, ready-to-fly, GPS-enabled mini drone. Featuring powerful 3300 kV brushless motors, live streaming 5.8 GHz first-person view video, GPS-enabled altitude and position locking system, and up to 15 minutes of flight time and a quick change battery. Auto takeoff, auto landing, and GPS return to home features built in. Everything you need to fly right out of the box is included. On-screen display features altitude, speed, distance, satellite and transmitter signal, battery life, and more. With the DaVinci drone, you can easily take off and land with just the push of a button. Dual flight modes include altitude hold and GPS hold. The DaVinci drone is easy to fly for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. We took the hassle out of maintaining altitude and allow you to focus on your directional flight. Smooth rotational yaw allows you to easily follow moving objects and keep them in frame. The all-new DaVinci drone features top speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and a maximum altitude of 300 feet. This combines the thrill of drone racing with the robust features of an aerial video drone. In addition, the GPS, altitude, and position lock are also great for home inspections, allowing you to safely hover and take pictures and videos of items usually out of reach. Flying around to inspect your property is now simple, safe, and fun with the DaVinci drone. The built-in GPS orbit mode provides smooth panoramic flight. It's very simple to use. Just set your drone to a safe altitude in GPS mode. Then, press and activate the orbit mode and the DaVinci will fly in a fixed circle around the orbit point. This allows you to capture beautiful images and video like never before. There are no additional batteries, parts, or smartphones required to fly your DaVinci drone. You can now enjoy a bird's eye view that is smart and easy to control right out of the box. When you get your DaVinci drone, what will you explore and capture? For more details and pricing, please visit www.ericsdrones.com.